Hello. So, I have a lot of cousins and people close to me that are trying to go uh, more whole foods, less processed stuff. And then I have cousins and friends that are vegetarian, and I used to be vegetarian. So, I thought it'd be a good idea to do plant-based iron sources. So, iron is very important. It's what helps our blood do its job, carry oxygen from all of our organs into our heart and back out and all of that. So, vegetables that are high in iron are, of course, you've got your leafy greens. This little list I have, it's from, if you want to see it, it's on, just a sec. My phone doesn't like me right now. Redcrossblood.org is where I found my list. Redcrossblood.org is my resource. So their list starts off with meat and eggs and seafood, but we're going plant-based. So spinach, sweet potatoes, peas, broccoli, string beans, beet greens, dandelion greens, collards, kale, and chard. So those nice dark green vegetables, those are what are going to have a really good source of iron. Now for our fruit, there's strawberries, watermelon, raisins, dates, figs, prunes, including juice, dried apricots, and dried peaches. That's really interesting. I wonder what about the drying process makes them higher in iron after the fact. That would be a very interesting video. I should look that up. Stay tuned. Okay, and then of course beans and other food. We got dried beans, dried peas, lentils, instant breakfast, corn syrup, maple syrup, molasses. Um, don't use corn syrup, maple syrup, or molasses as a sole source of your iron, please. um, Lentils, dried beans, dried peas. When I was a vegetarian, I would do instant breakfast a lot because it's like a full meal replacement and it would give me my protein that I needed as well. Because that's another thing that when you're vegetarian or vegan, you have to be really, really careful about your iron, your calcium, and your protein, which I'll go in and talk about those sorts of things in a different video. But yeah, those are our high iron sourced foods that are plant based. And I will do some research on what about the drying process makes it higher in iron. And then I will also be making a vegetarian, vegan, specific plant based nutrient video in the future as well. All right, love you. Bye bye.